Hi guys, I just thought I'd show you this quick video of steering knob malfunction. This is on a Saab 2003. When this goes, it's usually a couple of problems. It's either the steering column module, which is here, or its ignition switch module here. In this case, it's not the ignition switch, it's actually the control module. And this can cost you up to £1,000 to replace, and on a car this old, it's not worth it. So here's a little bypass if you want to try. As you can see, put the key in, key will not turn. And the steering and everything's locked. So here's a little trick. There's a switch in here. And the car starts. Now all this is, guys, is the switch. Under that switch is a fuse. The wire runs along to two prongs in the second fuse. Now what it is extending the fuse basically to that switch, and that starts the car. I can't guarantee this will happen every time, but on this time it works. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.